I visited a school recently and I discovered that many are struggling with statistics. That is why today I've decided to solve a problem on statistics. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, ensure you watch this video to the end. We're about getting started. Don't forget to like, share, put a comment where necessary. So let's go. Statistics. The scores in an oral test in mathematics for a class of 35 students are given in the table below. Find A, the mean deviation, B, probability that a student score at least a 3. Let's get out the table of value. X representing the scores, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The frequency is also given. 1, 3, 5, 12, and 14. Fx, that is 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 5, 15, 4 times 12, 48, and 5 times 14, 70, 140, and the frequency, you get out 35. So before we move forward, let's get out the arithmetic mean. We know the arithmetic mean is equal to summation fx over summation f, which is 140, which is summation fx, and the summation of f is 35. If you divide, you get out 4. So this becomes the mean. If that is so, let's get out the deviation. The deviation is also called the deviation from the mean. The deviation from the mean simply means the x value minus the mean. That is 1 minus 4. You get out minus 3. 2 minus 4. You get out minus 2. 3 minus 4. You get out minus 1. 4 minus 4. You get out 0. 5 minus 4. You get out 1. What then are we supposed to do? Also get out the absolute deviation. Absolute deviation, the negative sign automatically is gone. That is absolute deviation. This becomes 1, 0, and 1. The next step is to multiply the frequency to the absolute deviation. How do we achieve that? The frequency is 1. 1 times 3, you still get out 3. 3 times 2, you get out 6. 5 times 1, you get out 5. 12 times 0, you get out 0. 14 times 1, you get out 14. You add up. As you add up, you get out 28. We are told to find out the mean deviation of this distribution. So the mean deviation is equal to summation f of absolute deviation over summation f. What does that imply? 28, which is the summation of f for absolute deviation, over the sum of the frequency, that is the total value of the frequency, which is 35. Automatically you get out 0.8, and that is the final answer. We are told to get out the probability that a student score at least a 3. What is probability? Probability is the possibility that an event will happen or may not happen. Mathematically, required outcome over possible outcome. Possible outcome talking about the total outcome. Probability that a student score at least a 3. Those that score at least a 3, it means from a 3 upward. That is, I will indicate with an arrow. Upward like this, from 3 downward. 5. 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 plus 14, which will give us 31. So, applying the formula, required outcome over number of possible outcome, that is number of required outcome over number of possible outcome. So, number of required outcome is 31 over the number of possible outcome, that is, number of possible outcome is 35. If you divide this, you get out 0.9, and this becomes the final answer. If you are here to subscribe, do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. Like, tell people about this channel. This channel is already making wave. We are doing great, and we give glory to God. See you in my next video, and bye for now.